1, 2, 3. Gonna be tonight. What we on? Gunshots. Hey, look my mother. Hi, mommy. Hi, sorry. Somebody sing with me. Gonna be some. Lord, Lord, Lord. Oh, Lord, Lord. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. You gonna know. I know you're gonna know. June, flip it. But then there was dancing to Tainted Love. They was dancing to hip hop music. They used to like hot dog and then we used to do gang gang. New edition. These guys used to be lip syncing New edition. These girls used to be screaming ah. That was the ah back then. And I wanted them to like me. And I went up to sing Calypso. And the name of my Calypso, I was 11 years old, was called I. And his Calypso was like, I, the dancer, I, the prancer. When I singing that, all of them, they was dancing and singing the same. And when I started to sing, they started to do so.
Yo, be still going. Yo.
Where you coming with that for, man? What you doing, man? Some of them do so. And turning their back. It had a crew started to sing Amazing Grace over me. I never feel so ashamed in my life. But I stick it out and sing my 4 voices like I was taught to by my mother. Don't sing your verses. And I remember coming on stage and asking myself, well, what is it? Is it that people don't like their own music? They don't like their own culture? And then I realized immediately something was wrong with it. It wasn't youthful. It wasn't hip. It wasn't sexy. And right there then I was like, well, maybe I should sing R&B or maybe I should sing hip-hop. And that is the first time I've met God. Because I had a voice in my head say, no, fix it. Fix it. Do something about it. And that has been my purpose in life ever since that day. How to make people like soca music just as much as they love other music. Young people. And I used to wait to see girls in pom-pom shorts in the front of the stage because that was like the cue. They liking it. So that's why today I could say, I ain't got no stress for you. I love you, thank you. You see me, as a man, love to play, love to jam, soca. You see me, as a man, I always happy once, but I don't got no time for no worries. I don't got no time, no more for no stress. Love on my mind, so I'm ready to go on. I'm ready to take soca to the world. You ready? Hey, I come out to live my life, jump around and play a massive. I'm the happiest man alive. I come out to jump around and play a mouse and live my life. I'm the somebody say that's all I could do. Live my life. Somebody say oh. And my life is just soca. Soca. Give me more soca. 1, 2, favorite song. Big up Colonel Roberts to write in this one. If this didn't come out so late in Carnival, this is gonna be a road march. Trust me. Trust me. Oh, oh, This haunting, oh, it's a haunting feeling. This soca music feeling is a
Trini jungle juice.